All right, so this is a preferred club plunge pool room. We've got the minibar right at the beginning. There you go. We've got some Soul beer, as well as Coke products and lots of water. Of course, you can always order more through room service. And on this side, we have something that doesn't open. Okay, I literally just arrived, so I'm learning this as quickly as you are. Nice little slippers there. Lots of hangers, iron, and of course a safe. An extra pillow up there. So this is the room. Got kind of a pony wall here for the bathroom. It's a single sink. Preferred club, so you get a little bit extra amenities such as the toothpaste, vanity kit, shoe mitt, and what's this, shower cap, body lotion, hand sanitizer, toothbrush, comb, shaver. And then there is a door to the toilet, so that is private. Rainfall shower head. Normal toilet. And you've got a little, another extra storage space with a big screen TV, chair, and on the side of the beds you have a little bit extra storage, as well as you'll see there's 2 USB ports and a charging station. And looks like nothing on this site. I will update the video if we find another plug-in area. As I said, this is a plunge pool room. So we come out on the deck and we have a couple of nice lounge chairs. We have our very own plunge pool, which is quite lovely. And you can actually see the pool area and that gorgeous Cancun water. What a spectacular view. Nice and private. I mean, we do have a few rooms up above, but overall, I'd say definitely thumbs up on this room. Check it out.